Measures of central tendency. When we collect numerical data regarding a particular group, we find that there is always a number about which most of the numbers from the given data seem to be crowded. This tendency of a group is called its central tendency. To compare two given groups, their central tendencies are measured. There are three measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. Mean. The average of a given set of numbers is called the mean of the given numbers. If x1, x2, x3 till xn term are given, then their mean x bar is defined as x bar equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot plus xn upon n. Let us solve sum on mean. Let us solve first sum of exercise 7.6. Question 1. Find mean of given data. Mean equals to sum of observation upon number of observation. X bar is equal to 87 plus 92 plus 63 plus 78 plus 92 plus 59 plus 72 plus 66 upon 8. X bar equals to 609 upon 8. Mean equals to 76.1. Therefore, the mean of the given data is 76.1. Question 2. The mean of 7 numbers is 63. If the 6 numbers are 65, 70, 68, 59, 73, 55. Find the 7th number. Let the 7th number be x. We know mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observation. Hence, 63 is equal to 65 plus 70 plus 68 plus 59 plus 73 plus 55 plus x upon 7. We now solve the equation for x. Therefore, 63 into 7 is equal to 390 plus x. Therefore, x is equal to 441 minus 390. X is equal to 51. Hence, 7th number is 51. Question 3. The average of monthly salary of 20 employees in a company is rupees 7,650. If the manager's salary is added, the average salary increases by rupees 550 per month. What is the manager's monthly salary? Let the salary of the manager be x. Since the average of 20 employees is rupees 7,650, the total salary of 20 employees is 7,650 into 20. When we add x to 7,650 into 20, we have salary of 21 employees. The average of 21 employees can be expressed as 7,650 into 20 plus x upon 21. This average of 21 employees is 550 more than average of 20 employees. So, the average of 21 employees become 7,650 plus 550. We now get an equation in x which is 7,650 into 20 plus x upon 21 is equal to 7,650 plus 550. We now solve the equation for x as shown. Therefore, we get x as rupees 19,200. Question 4. The mean weight of 25 students of a class is 48 kg. If the mean weight of first 13 students is 50 kg and that of last 13 students is 46 kg, find the weight of the 13th student. Let the weight of the 13th student be x. The sum of weight of 25 students will be 25 into 48, which is equal to 1,200 kg, because 48 is the average weight. The sum of weight of first 13 students will be 50 into 13, which is 650 kilogram. The sum of weight of last 13 students will be 46 into 13, which is 598 kilogram. So X will be equal to weight of first 13 students plus total weight of last 13 students minus total weight of 25 students. So X is equal to 650 plus 598 minus 1200, which is equal to 48 kilograms.